Panchayat visited the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHDC on Tuesday, where they interacted with the members of the KHDC to understand the powers and functions of the KHDC. Chief Executive Member of the KHDC, Panchayat Singh's aim, said the interaction with the delegation was fruitful. The delegates are in Shillong for the study tour. They studied various developmental projects undertaken by the Autonomous District Councils here. The members will review what they study and will come up with suggestions for their state government accordingly.
Kikwa ban tip kam benya habide ka rukom penyak kam gajungi hapok council but habide bakriti dustur ke kita ki bor nene kita ki powers and function kiba ka district council gajungi ka pej ka lumthup lane ka kudup ka pej namta ka sinshar khadar ka pej namta ka it ka hima ka pej namta ka kibabun bhaki benta ka ba haka nika kam jongka KHDC te nakalyang jungki ki penpau ya ka jingkemen hadin bangi la yo ban ya kendo batki bat ngiyo eka interaction discussion ka bolong sultanat ka ba seso ngiru ngitip khambha shapang ka sinshar khadar hangthi lingba kini ki Zila Panchayat Council but kiru kitip khambha shapang jungi